Hi, Lou. Hi, Will. I've been following your show for a long time now in Belgium, Europe. Love the show. Love the tech. Keep doing what you guys do. Thank you very much. I've got the following question for you. If you have the abilities, what would you like to invent in the tech world yourself? What's your idea of tech you would like that's currently not available? What tech do I need that's not available? Well, obviously, all the stuff I'm actually working on, I can't tell you about because it's top secret. I can't even tell Will about it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to have to go even further. You know what? You know what, Will? You want to know what would be great? This is simple. This is a simple one. Just the Star Trek one where they can just go from spot to spot instantly.
Oh, like beam?
Just beam me. Just beam me somewhere. You know? Because I'm not lazy enough as it stands. So maybe just I have to be in a place. Like last night I was trying to get to the Raptors game. Imagine if I could just hit the button and be in the seat. Because I had to get downtown. I had to get parking. There were the crowds. I guess in Star Trek, they just beam like from one spot in the ship to another spot in the ship. That's all they do there. They can beam anywhere.
Yeah.
Spaceship to planet.
That's how they get down to
Okay,
the planet.
they can beam anywhere. Then in that case, that's what I'm inventing. Beaming. I'm beaming anywhere. That's why that device we had Ryan on in the past was called the Beam.
Yeah.
If I could beam to my seat at the Raptors game, I think I'd go to every game. Just beam in, beam out. The travel. Now, I'm lucky I don't have a crazy commute or anything, but I know a lot of people do. And you definitely can't beam, so you sit in your car or on the train. Thank goodness you could listen to this show, though. You see, it's almost as good as beaming there. Did you know that, Will?
No.
Obviously, it's not as good as beaming there, but nonetheless, that's what I would invent. That's impossible. That's hard. Maybe the guy was speaking more practically, but I don't care. We're having fun on this show. I'm inventing beam technology.
Hold on. What if someone got a hold of your technology and then beams to your place or something, taking a shower?
Why you got to take it there, Will? Why you got to disturb me like that?
I guess it's for your own personal...
You got to have...
You're not going to share it for everyone, right? Because if that's the case...
He did say tech product, so I do have to share it. It's a great question, Will. I love what you're doing here. You bring up a great point. If you can really beam anywhere, how... Okay, I got it. You have a no beam zone. Or private beam zone. Like
maybe
your
just
house.
like to public areas. You
Yes.
can beam to public.
Yeah, and there would be portal spots. So if I want to go to the Raptors game, it's not right to my seat, but it's like an exchange spot. But then don't I have the same crowds and the same traffic?
You beam onto someone's lap.
I guess the key here, Will, is like any great tech product. If you want it to be exclusive, it just has to be expensive.
Yeah.
You see, you find a way to do it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking. We're talking about Star Trek. I don't know. Let's get the next question going.